Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super useful if you're looking to switch or consolidate your investments. How to transfer assets to Vanguard. Vanguard is one of the most reliable platforms for managing your stocks, bonds, and funds, and transferring your assets there can save you time and potentially lower your fees. Whether you're moving from another brokerage or just optimizing your portfolio, I'll walk you through the steps in a simple, straightforward way. First things first, make sure you have a Vanguard account set up. If not, head to their website and create one. It's quick and free. Once that's done, log into your current brokerage account where your assets are held. Look for the Transfers or Account Services section. This is usually in the main menu. Next, select the option to initiate an asset transfer, often called an ACAT transfer for stocks and securities. You'll need to provide Vanguard's details, like your Vanguard account number, which you can find in your Vanguard dashboard. Be precise here to avoid any delays. Now, specify what assets you want to transfer, whether it's your entire account or just specific holdings. Vanguard accepts a wide range of assets, but double-check if there are any restrictions, like certain mutual funds that might need special handling. After submitting the request, you'll get a confirmation email, and the transfer typically takes 5 to 7 business days, though it can vary. Keep an eye on your accounts during this time and watch out for any transfer fees, which might be charged by your old brokerage. One tip: if you're transferring a large amount, consider contacting customer support at both brokerages for guidance. It can smooth things out. And remember, always verify the transfer once it's complete to ensure everything arrived safely. That's it for the process. Transferring to Vanguard can be a smart move for long-term investing, giving you access to low-cost funds and tools. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.